Hey guys, Evan here, and today I want to talk about a specific topic. There are a lot of videos online where people grow their deposit from a small amount to hundreds of dollars. It looks great, but usually no one shows how it really works in reality. Today I'm doing the same experiment, starting with a minimum deposit on pocket option of 50 bucks, and my goal is to reach $400, $500 on the deposit. No BS, I'll just show the mechanics and solutions on the chart. I post trades, analysis, and user-friendly education on my Telegram channel. If you want to see this not just once, but regularly, the link is in the description and pinned comment. There's a lot of useful information. I share my tricks, and overall, we talk about trading and platform nuances. So let's get into the video. Okay, so today, I want to set some rules for our challenge to keep everything transparent and honest. I'm working quick trading mode. Today, I'll use 2 time frames, short trades of 15 seconds and more relaxed ones of 1 minute. Today, I'm gonna use Bollinger Bands and regular levels, conduct tech analysis, candle behavior, all as usual. So if the market will be grinding sideways, I skip. I don't get into trades just for the sake of it. No all-in nonsense, of course. If the market breaks logic, then we stop. That's risk management, and that should be a rule. We don't take unnecessary risks. Remember, the best strategy for beginners is to train in demo mode, then gradually move to small amounts, accelerate your deposit step by step, gain experience, and trade with a cool head and analytical approach. Okay, so now, opening our indicators. Here it is. Let me explain simply. It's made of 3 lines: the upper boundary, middle line, and lower boundary. The idea is very simple. So when the price touches the upper band, the market might be overbought and could reverse downward, like here, where a pullback started. When the price touches the lower band, the market might be oversold and can bounce up, like right here. Maybe a reversal is starting, and this candle shows that it's fighting the support level, but the indicator hints at market reversals, okay? So if the price is near the middle line, which is like the center of the band, this is where the price tends to return to. So for example, right now the price might return to this level. Important, in a strong trend, price can move along the band. So I had a filter. I check levels and not only enter when I see that the price is truly reacting to a level. Let's try trading quick, 15 seconds. Now it broke through the bottom that I marked, and the price is hitting the lower band, and I open a buy. I just wait a bit, and I opened a buy at 15 seconds. So look, candles go up, perfect entry. 5 seconds till close. See, and we opened just in time when the band touched. So we immediately made a good profit. Congratulations. So now the price probably hits the upper band again and maybe a reversal downward. So let's open a sell right here. Here we go. So the order is open, but the candle is still pulsating upwards. Remember, some trades may close in a loss, but in the long run, we'll come back 100%. So as you can see, we closed in profit here again. That's great news. So 2 trades in a row, and the account is already 68 bucks. So we're moving gradually, maybe increase the amount. I'm gonna continue to work with this pair, euro dollar, because right now it's touching the upper band, and it might reverse downwards. So let's open order. Okay, so the entry point is gray. It's pulled back a bit, but now it could break further down, pulsate below the level, and then we'll close. Yeah, so see that was a unfortunate trade. No big deal. We'll just keep working. Remember that false breakouts are possible. That's the market. It reacts to everything and you can't predict everything. So we entered based on logical analysis using the band, but the market just moved in the opposite direction with a sharp breakout. That's normal and there's no need to worry, okay? So we'll still come out in profit in the long run. We set a 30-second timer and we're gonna wait for the right moment to buy. Okay, we entered right here and now the pulsation is moving upwards after our entry. Great. Right now it's leveling out and we entered right at the bottom, and as you can see, we already recovered what we lost previously. So let's wait. Excellent. Now another series of short trades will be coming up. So waiting for the band to be hit, checking the 15-second chart here. Yeah, pulsating upward. So when it hits the band, we go for a sell. And there, we have entered. So now there might be a reversal since it's touching the upper band. Here's the candle forming. Let's see how strong it'll be. It's going down well and we close in profit. See, our account is now at $100, twice our deposit. Now I'm gonna switch to another currency pair and let's see how it behaves. Remember, for selecting currency pairs, it's important that the payout is above 80%, as this indicates more stable and good trading pairs. I chose the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. We opened the time frame and first defined the overall trend. I work mostly with the hourly time frame initially. So right now there's a downward trend. It's reached a significant high and now it's gradually moving down. The overall trend is downwards, but for quick trades, we look at the 1-minute chart to see the big picture and the impulse. So slight upward pulses here appear, but the trend remains downward. Several candles in a row form a bearish pattern. Some candles show some upward movement, but overall the trend is downward. So let's work with a shorter time frame here. Okay, so I open a sell when the band touches the middle line and the downward adventure begins. So it's crucial to enter timely, and this indicator helps us a lot with that. So let's just wait. And we close in profit. Already 130 in the bank. So as you can see, in a very short time, we've done a lot of work, but we haven't reached our target yet. So slowly, the price is touching the lower band. Maybe a buy. Oh, and here's the reversal starting. So we'll see if it breaks the low. It's pulsating strongly, but in our favor. See, that was a breakout. No big deal. It's normal. Remember that not all trades are successful. Such breakouts can also happen. Now I'll work on the 1-minute chart in a more calm mode. Using martingale, I'll increase our amount by 1.5. Let's place a buy order because we opened when the price touched the lower band, and in a minute I think there will be a definite reversal in our favor. So overall, this strategy works very well, mixing short trades with longer ones so you can quickly build your deposit, but you must not act chaotically, okay? So all your actions should be based on logic. Even if the market goes against you or if a false breakout occurs, remember that it's normal. We're all learning here. It's our experience. So, and just went for a reversal. Exactly what I mentioned. Yeah, so we opened when the price touched the band and now a reversal is happening. The order will close soon, and as you can see, there's a great plus 142 on the account. Let's continue. And now I want to look at some broader time frames to understand the currency pair. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the trend is upward, but now there's a downward reversal forming. A few consecutive candles are like pointing downward. It's important to look at different time frames. Of course, we work with a 1-minute chart. Okay, so right now there are 2 candles forming. According to the rule of 2 candles, we can enter a buy. I'll set the entry at 60 and place a buy order right now. Let's wait. Now the 3rd candle is growing, quite a strong uptrend. So we've chosen the exact right moment for entry again. It's important to identify the right moment to enter, regardless of which time frame you are using. This is very crucial. After this trade closes, I'm gonna go back to short positions, maybe pick another currency pair so we can work with different pairs today and see different situations. That's always useful. So this trade should score as 2 big candles are forming. By the way, a good reversal downward can happen afterwards, so I might play around with this as well. That's why it's worth spending some more time on this pair than switching to another. It's also important to determine if the market is dirty. If there's a sawtooth pattern, I immediately say it's a dirty market, the bands are tight and there's no movement, and I recommend skipping. But right now you see we close in profit. Awesome. Now I'm gonna do a series of short trades of 15 seconds. Let's look at the 1-minute time frame to see a slight upward movement. When the price touches the band and starts to pulse slightly upward, that's a good moment. It's moving up quite well, and when it reaches the band, a reversal should follow. So I'm quite confident. We're just gonna wait for a small pullback and then we can go after a buy again. Let's just wait. It will likely move toward this band right here. That's the current trend. 2 consecutive candles forming. Even if we mess up with one order, we can offset it by adding more later. I think it'll break through now. If not, it's okay, no worries. Next, we choose 100 and see it's touching the upper band, which could lead to a move downwards. Watch, a candle is forming downwards. The previous rule isn't confirmed, but the trend is downward. We've chosen a larger amount with martingale to cover losses, working carefully. And look at this, a good profit has already been made. Let's close a few more short trades, just a few, 15 seconds each. The price strongly touched the lower band and now it's stabilizing in our favor, which is great news. And we opened at the right moment because right now it's pulsating a bit. And I think the reversal is quite obvious here. 2 candles in a row. Again, the rule of 2 candles worked. A great amount of $377 on the account. I think we'll switch to another currency pair soon to work with different ones and analyze different situations. Let it be pound dollar. This pair is well known among traders, so I want to do a quick level marking here. Don't forget, marking levels always helps in the long run. These are like step traces showing how the price developed. Okay, so we set horizontal lines at support and resistance levels. You see the trend on the hourly chart is downward. Now I'll open more short orders. The price reached the previous minimum, so I can open a buy. Okay, so I'll open a buy as the price touches the band again. Okay, here we go. Wow, look at this rise. Right after we opened, it started skyrocketing. It's crucial to identify the entry point. This always helps us a lot. So, great. I think I'll open one more minute, 1 minute order, and with this, we'll achieve today's goal. I set the 1 minute order at 100. Let's wait for a small drop and then buy as the price touches the band again. This is just a downward breakout, nothing wrong with that. We'll just watch. Even if it dips, I'll just sit through it. I work with 15-second trades here. I only take the most obvious touches when working with short time frames. So with longer time frames, of course, it's much more calm. We rely on levels. As you see, two candles are forming. A big candle shot upward, and now a reversal pattern is starting. So indicating that we entered on the trend. The trend is balancing toward the level we marked earlier. That's a confident, solid entry. Basically, if you approach calmly, relying on indicators and tech analysis, it's not at all difficult here. So you can see that trades close in profit or sometimes in losses, but we recover them, and now we're closing in profit again. Perfect. So friends, as you see, our account right now is 553 and we've reached our target. What do I want to say in conclusion? Of course, let's talk about our mistakes. Why do people drain their deposits? They enter without confirmation, just because the price touched the level. You shouldn't base your trading off a single moment. I keep repeating this time from time. Same trade, some trade in a sawtooth pattern with narrow bands. That's also a no-go. We must always look at how the bands are positioned. If they are tightly packed, if it's a sawtooth chaotic market, that's a sign you shouldn't enter the pair. Next up, attempting to bounce back after logical analysis is broken. We bounce now based on logic. All our losing trades were due to sharp false breakouts, but we traded logically. Added to the deposit carefully with martingale and ended up with a great profit. And the fourth mistake, making too many trades in a row. Catching randomness, one trade doesn't close, so they immediately open another. That's just button mashing. No logic there. It's just luck based. And we don't rely on luck in trading. We rely on analysis. The point of a quick grind isn't magic, but choosing the right moments. Better off 5-7 quality entries than 20-30 random chaotic actions. So chaotic actions will blow your deposit away and confident entries will grow it. That's the mechanic. So 15-second trades, reacting to boundaries and levels, longer, more relaxed entries at pullbacks on the 1 minute chart. If you want to see me do such quick trades and analysis regularly, join my Telegram. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next videos. Solid trading, everyone. Bye.